What's up, guys? Today we're gonna quickly go over reward epoch cycle on the Songbird network. This very good post created by Status. Follow him on Twitter. He also has a website with very good information in regards Songbird, Flare network, XRP, repo, and everything like that. Very useful information he providing. So here, reward epoch starts every Saturday 8:41 UTC time. So it starts, then reward epoch ends every Saturday 8:40 UTC time and ends here, right? Vote power clock cycle starts Thursday 14:41 UTC time and ends Saturday 8:40 UTC time. Here a little bit more explanation, and I will go over it one more time. All rewards epochs will begin weekly on Saturdays at approximately 8:41 UTC time. Anyone who begins delegating to data providers and does so before the delegation lock will not be eligible to begin accruing rewards until after 8:41 UTC on Saturday. The next voting power delegation lock will occur on any random block beginning approximately 41 hours prior to the start of the next reward epoch. Reward rate: for every 100 Songbird you delegate, you will get 0.5 to 2.8 Songbird a week. Source: flaremetrics.io. Depend on the performance of the signal provider, its configured fee, how many rounds it provided, good enough prices, estimates, etc. In order to delegate your Songbird token, you need to first wrap your Songbird to the utility token wrapped Songbird WSGB, and then choose one or more signal providers for delegation. Now we have up to 2 only. I hope they're gonna increase to more, like 5, maybe 7 would be good. Songbird SGB rewards have to be claimed within 90 days or they are forfeited and put back into the reward pool. Alright, let's go over one more time. So Thursday at 14:41 until Saturday at 8:40 UTC time. So it's coordinated universal time. So you need to convert this time to your local time to make sure that you will be within this time frame, that you delegate within this time frame. And the second thing, blocks snapshot is randomly taken between this time. So between 14:41 UTC time until 8:40 Thursday 14:41 UTC time until Saturday 8:40 UTC time, the block randomly taken. So it's possible if, for example, it's gonna be taken like at the start, at the middle and Friday sometime, or at the Saturday somewhere at the end of the time. Could be like 8:39. So the block snapshot will be randomly taken between this time. I think that's pretty much it.